Hey guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. We are going to be drawing Cyndaquil in this video, and I hope that, guys, the head's going to be a little doozy, so it's going to be a little tricky, but hopefully we can get there together, and, yeah, I hope that Cyndaquil has a lot of people who find them, you know, he's favorited by a lot of people. We'll see. Alright, so, anyway, we're going to start off by drawing a circle. The circle is, literally just I guess you would say a circle. It's like, it's plain, it's, it's simple, there's no, like, shenanigans with that, I guess, it's just a circle. And then, before we move on, I want you guys to pay attention to these points. So, you don't really have to draw these little circles that you see in the screen, but I want you to notice them there. I'm going to leave them there because I want you guys to see them. This part, the head is a little tricky, so I want you to, like, notice these while we're doing this. So they're just there for you. Alright, so, the nose. We're going to draw that, and it's a little bit, like, it's outward, and it kind of, like, curves in a way, but, like, it's not completely straight. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just go for that if you can. Then we can draw the pattern of the head. So, like, the green part of Cyndaquil that, like, goes on top of the head. That will swing over just a little bit like that, and that's good. But you also want to draw the curve on the other side of the head. It's just it happens on the other side of the face of Cyndaquil too, so it's like a little 3D. Just do that and you're good to go. Now we can draw the eye. The eye, it's just a little curve. Like, he usually has his eyes, I guess his eyes closed. Like, I think he does. So yeah, I don't know. I guess that kind of adds to the cuteness, right, guys? Now we can draw the bottom part of the face, and again, you can notice that, like, what we're doing here is we're going through, like, these circles that make it, these circles are making it easier for us to really figure out where everything is going. So you can always just pay attention to that if you need help with that. And the jaw, or like the bottom of the face, is just like it's an interesting curve, I'm gonna say. So just try to copy that as best as you can, And then from there we can just erase the circle, the circle that we started with, and we're going to erase it all the way to the back of the jaw. And yeah, that's good so far. So now we have the head, guys. Congratulations and good job. So now we're going to draw the belly part. So, like, the belly, we're just going to, like, do a little curved line, and then we're going to stop it right there because I would like to draw the arms so that we kind of have, like, I guess a point of reference for what's going to happen next. I don't know. I just think the arms are cool. We'll just draw the arms. The arms are there. And then that one right there. Alright, good. So now we can draw the leg. And well, just stop it there and then draw the other curve on the other one. Because, these curves are slightly different, but, just leave it like that, I guess you would say. And then we can finish the belly, because that actually is going to help us figure out where the legs are going to be. And it's going to end right there. And then we can finish the left leg, which is just like another little curve. And it's going to have, like, the front part of the foot, so that curve goes there. Now, let's draw the back pattern. So, like, the head, if you notice there's, like, that pattern, that green part, there's also part of the back that has that green part. So, just try to go for this curve, just like that, and end it right there because that's going to be like the rest of the leg. Now we can finish that leg, and we're going to add a little bit towards that curve that we started before, and then we're just going to do another curve, and then it's going to go a little up into the back part. But yeah, just I guess you would say, try to notice how, like, the foot looks here and see if you can, like, do that. Hopefully you can. And then it's a good idea to draw the back. The back is going to be this big curve that ends at the end of the pattern. So you can do it like that. Perfect. From there, we can draw the spikes. Now, he doesn't really have spikes, but what it is it's like a fiery, like, that's where the fire comes out of, and for some reason, like, the back, like, shows up spiky whenever you look at pictures of Cyndaquil, so we're just going to do that. And yeah, Perfect. In the Diamond and Pearl decks, he also has like that kind of thing in his sprite, so it's good. You could just do that. And then we can draw the fire itself. So with this fire, I'm actually going to draw like front, back, front, back, front, back, because it just makes it easier to like meet up in the middle. So we can actually do it that way. I think it's easier. I mean, you know, if you guys can totally just wait till it's all over, I guess, and then just copy the way it looks, but I think that it's easier to meet up in the middle, that way that it just doesn't get difficult. I don't know. And then we could draw the fire that's towards the middle, like the inside. Like there's like a line, like look at this. There's a line that goes in the middle like this, and it meets up with the one towards the right. And I guess it adds like to like the 3D-ness. I don't know. And then you can close off the left side with the line that you just made. And then you can just do the fire that goes inside. And this is like the yellowy part of the fire, so it kind of like zigzags like this. And yeah, I guess that's it. That's good. Now we could just draw. Okay, so the head and the body, right? We're gonna erase a little bit of it, and then we're gonna like make those two parts meet up just a little bit, like, you know, fade out to each other, because that actually, I guess, it's like a cool little thing to do whenever something is, I guess, I don't know. It looks good to me. I like it. when I have an explanation, I guess I'll explain it. But usually it's like further away, where like they meet up to each other. Sometimes like a little less detail is better. And we can erase the back. Remember that curve that we did in the back? We can erase that a little bit because that's not supposed to be there. It was just to help us figure out where everything was, I guess. And oh, almost forgot. Guys, the nose. I always do this, apparently. It's just a little dot that goes right there, right over there. And that's it. That's Cyndaquil. Well, I hope that this helped, guys. I hope that this was good. And of course, I do want to show you guys what the outline would look like if you actually outline it, I don't know, with Sharpie or something, you know, or just like, just outline it. It'll look something like this. And if you guys want to see the colors, so that you guys can like color it, or, you know what it looks like, I guess, here are the colors for that. And shading, if you ever want to attempt this, I don't know, it's like I said, it gets annoying sometimes. I don't even like shading sometimes. I know it looks good, but it's time consuming. So here's the shading, and that's it. That's everything. Well, I hope that this was helpful in some way, shape, or form. I hope it made you smile. I hope that this hope it came out the way you were hoping, and as always, I appreciate you guys. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Hope that this was good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye, guys.